But, I watch your videos. We all do.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much. Hi, brother. How are ya?
Yeah, mate.
All good, mate?
Yeah, good.
Hello. Welcome to Bali. Where do you come from?
Australia.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello. How are you? Wow. Looks so busy around here, isn't it? Hello. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Legian Bali and Garlic Lane. Okay, so if you want to know how the situation right at the moment, just make sure watch the video until the end. And already today start from the north part on Garlic Lane until to the south area. Okay, let me show you around here. Wow. Actually, and usually in this area is always busy at the junction, but today just so quiet, isn't it? Okay, just from here we might video until to the south area at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Yeah, let me show you how busy Legian Bali at Garlic Lane today. Wow, so quiet. And usually, because in this area, usually always busy and a lot of tourists walk around on the footpath. But today, it's just so quiet, isn't it? Really sad actually. And this video, I make video on 5 p.m. Wow. Let me show you how busy Garlic Lane Legian Bali on 5 p.m. today. Hello, how are you? Welcome to Bali, mate. Welcome to Bali. Not so busy yet. At the restaurant, also a few tourists over there, but not really busy. Welcome to Bali. I'm good. Ah, very quiet, isn't it? Yeah, it's good for you, but not for us.
But, I watch your videos. We all do.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much.
No shake hands?
Bali Travel Vlog.
No shake hands?
Sure.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, sister. You?
Sharon.
Oh, Sharon. What's your name?
Your name's Glenn.
Oh, very,
You are?
very bad in Australia. Very bad.
In Geelong.
Oh,
Melbourne.
Geelong,
Yeah.
near Melbourne. Yeah, I know that.
Rain.
Yeah, it's very beautiful country over there. I see on the photo, on the video, the ocean is very blue, blue water.
Yeah, it is. It's nice, but it's cold. It's cold here.
Really?
People here.
Wow. Yeah, Bali is always like this. Good,
Bali's happy place.
happy place. Yeah. How long you been in Bali already?
We've been here how many days already?
5 or 4 days. But been Bali before for sure.
Yeah.
Too easy for you.
And then we go to Sanur for 10 days.
Oh, you stay there.
Yeah, as well as here.
Oh, Sanur is also nice because more calm, just like atmosphere is different over there.
Yeah.
You can walk around beside the beach and lot of restaurant over there. It's nice.
Yeah, it's good. Okay, come
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, enjoy your holiday. Wow, you say you are. They come from Geelong. Wow, long flight, but they love it to stay in Bali. That's good. Wow, hello. They come from Australia. It's good. Not really busy here. What's happening, mate? Okay, let's cross the street.
Mình ra bên tại tươi này ba em sẽ bơi cho tôi chi.
Bơi lấy gia đình trở lại, bơi lấy là. Bơi lấy sẽ bơi. Yeah, futurists, they are doing shopping here. Not bad, it's good. But actually, it's really look more quiet compared with the last video when I made video in this area. What's happening? School holiday, but why so quiet? Really sad, isn't it? Suriwati Hotel. Chris, is your hotel over there? Ooh, quiet. Hello. Enjoy your holiday. This is the local restaurant. Wow, not really busy over there. Yeah, because now it's like dinner time. Yes, that's why it's not really busy at the restaurant. Across the street, futurists over there. Wow, you see how the different last video when I made video in this area and now. So quiet, isn't it? Not so many tourists on the footpath. New construction shop will be happening here. Another shop, art market over there. At restaurant, wow, quiet, almost empty. Really sad. What's happening today? Why not so many tourists in this area? Wow. This is over there. That's good. You see? Along the way on the sidewalk, it's empty, isn't it? Even at the sport bar. What's happening? Welcome to Bali. Wow, it is very big difference today in here. I feel it's like so strange because there is no tourists in this area, because usually at Garlic Lane the most legend for shopping, but today even in the restaurant, wow, not really busy, isn't it? Hello, this is my second wife over there, pretty girl. You see, wow, how come so empty in Garlic Lane Legian Bali today? It's very strange. Not so many tourists at Garlic Lane. Why? What's happening here? Really sad, isn't it? Woo. Hello. Welcome to Bali. You see, even in the restaurant over there, across the street, spot bar, so quiet. Really sad. Billy Sport Bar. Boss, the Legian Sport Bar at Garlic Lane Legian Bali, for sure. A lot of trains inside over there. See that? Wow, busy, busy, busy. It's good.
It's a bit early.
Yeah, a bit too early. Maybe not soccer competition for today, so that's why it's not really busy at Sport Bar. Agak sepi ya di Sport Bar ya? Di Sport Bar agak sepi sekarang karena mungkin udah ada ini apa?
Ada.
Oh, ada.
Ya, belum mulai.
Oh, belum mulai. Wah, starting soon. The next one coming soon. What? Yeah, coming soon. Woo. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Hey brother, how are ya? All good, mate? Where about Australia? Where about?
Hey?
Where about in Australia?
Melbourne.
Oh, Melbourne. Bali Travel Vlog. Oh, been Bali many times before or first time come to Bali?
Few times.
Few times. Easy for you to
I just
find
been
to
to the
Bali.
dentist.
First again?
I just been to the
Oh,
dentist. My
yeah.
mouth's all numb. Pain medication.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, a lot. Even from America, they sometimes they go to Bali for dentists.
Yeah.
Because it's cheap here.
Oh yeah.
Well, they are, but no for us. Even for us, still very expensive.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay, brother, enjoy your holiday, yeah?
Take care.
Have a good day, mate. Why you stay alone? Where's your friend?
Oh no, they're at Padma.
Oh, just right there at
So I
the
just
hotel.
came from dentist. I
Oh.
got there while I'm
Okay then. Recovery.
see you, mate.
Have a good day, eh?
Right.
Yeah, it is not really busy actually. I'm sorry. Just make 1.5 first. Yeah, really quiet, isn't it? Really sad. Usually in this area it's always busy, but I don't know why today it's so quiet. Today on forget about the date. It's crazy. Woo. 5 p.m. at Garlic Lane, Bali. Wow. Yeah. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Where do you come from?
Australia.
Beautiful country. Where about?
Brizzy.
Brisbane.
Yes.
Very beautiful. I see on the ocean. So beautiful there. I just see on the video. How long you been in Bali already?
2 weeks.
3 weeks. 3.
2.
Oh, 2. Wow. Is that school holiday in Bali now? In Australia?
Yes.
But so quiet, right?
Yeah.
Good for you, not for us. Enjoy your holiday.
Thank you.
Hello. Actually, I just make YouTube for update session in Bali. So daily video in my YouTube. Enjoy your holiday. Wow. So quiet in this area. Really strange for me. At the sport bar. So quiet. What's happening? What's happening, Mike? Whew. Yeah, futurist shopping over there. Yeah, futurist at the sport bar. It's good. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Bali.
Hello.
Oh, you're so pretty.
Thank you.
First time I see you. Your mom, is it?
No, my sister.
My sister. Oh, yeah. Sorry, what about Australia? Where about?
Queensland.
Oh, Queensland, on the top.
Interview.
It's very beautiful over there.
Just like Bali.
Just like Bali. The weather is same. I just want to make a joke like mom, but I still like almost twin. Wow. Let's see how busy at art market. Wow, maybe they'll stay here. Jai. Jai, come in, Jai.
Jay, come on, you know.
Come on, Jai.
What do you get
She's waiting for you, Jai. Boss, waiting for you. Wow. Busy, 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 busy. Oh, sorry. This is art market at Garlic Lane Legian, Bali.
Inside.
not really busy, isn't it? Art market at Garlic Lane Legian Bali as a South Part area. Wow, so quiet in this area. What's happening? Left side, yeah, Fitri, they are doing shopping there. Whew, empty. What's happening here? So strange. Not as usually. Wow. So what do you think about Garlic Lane Bali today? Garlic Lane Legian Bali, just so quiet, isn't it? Not as usually. I feel so strange for today, for sure. Really sad. I don't know why. Maybe they are going to the beach to see the sunset, because sunset is going down soon. That's why they are stay at on the beach. But usually, even in the afternoon, I come here many times. Always busy. But today, so strange. See around here? It's empty, isn't it? So quiet. Yeah, I'm really sorry because sometimes my camera is not in focus because I make video without skip. Because just want to show you the real session at the moment in Legian Bali. Okay guys, so this is our dinner today at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. So what do you think? Just so quiet, isn't it? Really sad, okay? If you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update session at the moment in Garlic Lane Legian Bali. And don't forget to do that because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Woo. Quiet. Oh, sorry brother.